Hey now, welcome to Freedomsufferer Cards video number 143. I said! And today, we finish off with part 2 of our DC Stars from Skybox. Rip. But before we start, I would like to give a couple of shoutouts out. Channels I haven't given a shoutout to in a while. One is SlapNutz Gaming. If you don't know who he is by now, I don't know what to tell you, man. Definitely check out his channel. He also does a little bit of these weirdo breaks. He's, on Wednesdays, he does his WTF breaks. We the French, of course, it stands for. And he just did a Stranger Things break not too long ago. He's got all kinds of stuff going on. Yes, he's primarily a hockey guy like I am, but he's got all kinds of cool stuff. And excellent commentary on his breaks. So please check him out. He's a good dude, good friend of mine, and doing a good job, I may say. And he's still got contests going on. Just got to mail something into him. It doesn't matter what you mail in. As he would say, senators, priest, it doesn't matter, anything. Because what are you going to do with the senator cards anyway, right? And he, of course, is the gum god himself. SlapNutz Gaming. And next shout out goes to MisterCardGuys. They're the first contest I won of any kind. They haven't been active in YouTube for a while, but they're very active on Instagram. And he also does superhero stuff, mainly Marvel, but I've seen him do Superman as well. And yeah, Dragon Ball and Pokemon and you name it, man. Everything. So check them out as well. MisterCardGuys. They will be in the video description. Alright, I believe we should have 9 packs. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, here it is. Ooh, down. Yep, we've got our nice sticky packs. Everything's ready to go. There is no mini Beezer because he's having a little visit with Barbabella, the Austin Matthews locker. Don't know what Barbabella wants to do in there, but she's calling the shots right now. Nice little wharf. Watching over things. Of course, this hockey stick was donated by Mr. Victor Summers. Great time. Bifocally fun with his wooden shoes lady. No problem at all, yeah. Man, I shouldn't even say anything, and Savage probably wouldn't even notice. Here we go. Pack number 1. Doomsday. I'm pretty sure he was the guy who killed Superman, right? Batman, yeah. Always put him in the hits. Deathstroke. Guardian. Orion again. Oh man, really? Huck? Man. We start off the exact same way. This is not a rerun. Put the puzzle pieces away. Every one of those cards, I believe, yeah, we already had. I did check up how many cards there are in the set. There are 45, and then an extra 9 for puzzle pieces. So we got 54 total cards here. Oh, I don't have him. Ocean Master, all right. And he is a villain, I guess. Aquaman's villain, Doomsday again. Blue Beetle, yeah, again. Oh, Our Man. All right. Don't have him. Geoforce. Wonder Woman, yeah, and Macho Man. Another lady by Macho's side. No problem at all, yeah. He could use all of the managers he so desires. Of course, Wonder Woman may not be the manager type. She'd be laying the smack down more often than not. Oh, another one we needed. Robin. Ultimate Warrior has a problem with Robin. We all know that. Alright, Catwoman. Another one we needed. Alright, starting to fill out the set. Metamorpho. Another John Stewart. Deathstroke. And the Flash puzzle piece. Alright. Alright. Let's hope to get the set off of one box. A lot less packs, but a lot less cards. So, might be possible. Oh, another one we needed. Mr. Mixapitl. What? Alright. Okay. That is a foe of Superman. Fire! Our man. Again, the Creeper. Yeah, one thing happening to him right now. Permanent elbow drop. Yeah. There you go. Creeper, where you belong, you creep. Alfred. And Batman puzzle piece. What a creep, that guy. A perfect name for him. What does he do? Randy, no problem at all. Take him. See, what is this guy's story, man? Jekyll Hyde existence. Wrist implanted ionized promethium plate. Jack becomes the Creeper. An insane individual who stalks out corruption. His most effective weapon is his relentless pursuit of the truth. His psychotic and unpredictable state of mind. More elbow drops, yeah! Ooh, yeah. There you go. Old news Creeper. Guy Gardner, or Guy Gardner. Looks like he's messing. That guy got messed up, yeah! Alright. I guess he's a good guy. Doesn't look like what he's doing is good, but Wonder Woman, yeah. Nice. We got a Wonder Woman card. There you go. Looking good, much. Alright. Metamorpho. Man! 2 elbow drops, yeah! Vandal Savage. Ooh, yeah! We got ourselves a Savage. Alright. Vandal Savage. A long-lost relative of Macho Man Randy Savage. He is a supervillain. Alright. Again, Mr. Mixapitlik. Booster Gold. Holy down, Creeper. Yeah. 3 elbow drops. All the way down. Guardian. Ice. Yep. Aquaman. Still having his battle with the Kraken. We are down to our last 3 packs. Alright. Another Robin. Metamorpho. Holy, are you kidding me? 4 elbow drops. Yeah, this is like the Ultimate Warrior match. Yeah, retirement match. 6 or 7 on it. Yeah, right back up. Madness. This is... Come on, how many elbow drops does the Creeper want? And he wants to keep showing up again. Pimp. Phobia. And Wonder Woman puzzle piece. 2 packs left. If we get another Creeper... Oh, man. I don't know if I should send out the Creeper in one of my random acts of kindness. I don't know if anyone deserves a Creeper. You're all fine, wonderful people. Let me know in the comments if you want a Creeper. and I'll see what I could do. I don't know if I have enough. Robin. Aquaman, yeah. Kraken fighting. Deathstroke. Geoforce. Vandal Savage, yeah. And Green Lantern puzzle piece. We're down to our last pack.
He's talking about you, Carlos. Watching over things. Yeah.
Again, Mr. Mixipitlick. The Flash. Ice. Peacemaker. Phobia. And the last card of the break is Wonder Woman. So what I will do is take a quick look, see how close I came to the set and the puzzle, and I'll come right back. Yeah. Well, after having checked, I have fallen quite short. If you take a look at the checklist here, I am missing 7, I believe. I'm missing the whole first 3 cards. Superman subset. Those top 3. And I'm missing the Penguin. That's already 4. I'm missing Bloodwind. Already 5. And then I'm missing Hawkman and Shazam. Normal cards there. I do have their puzzle pieces. So that's way shorter than I expected. Not really impressed with that, but still. Did have all the rest of those cards. We have a load of doubles. We ended up getting 5 creepers. That's crazy. There's just 4 in here. Going right back where they belong. Eating elbow drop. Good, yeah. Then I got another creeper in the set there. But what we did do, bring this out of the way a little bit. We ended up completing the puzzle. I guess it goes like this. So I will put it together for you, if it can be seen. Something like that. Move these 2 out of the way. It's going to be hard to do, huh? Gonna have to use your imagination here. Alright, creeper. A little bit of mercy from your elbow drops. Maybe if we put it like this, that'll suffice, I guess. Write them down. There you go. There's your puzzle. You could use your imagination and fill out the rest. So we did complete the puzzle. But we just didn't complete the set. Down! Now, I may just take a look online and see if those 7 cards are easy to find. They probably are. I don't know. Maybe not, though. And if I ever complete that set, I will let you know. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give this video a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment. Multiple elbows will be dropped from now until the end of time on this creeper, yeah. Have yourselves a good day or night by the time you're watching this. I'll see you guys soon. Real soon. Mini bees